Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Today we got a pretty heavy load. We gotta go hook up. We gotta hook up a set of doubles. We're doing a super load today, going all the way to Cedar City. It's gonna be pretty heavy. It's 9,100 gallons, so it should be kind of fun. We'll see how it does. Cedar City, there isn't too many big hills. Truck should do pretty good, but we'll find out. I hope y'all enjoy. Thanks for coming back and checking the channel out, and we'll see you out there. Well, we made it. Got the trailers filling up with air. It's a little cold, a little rainy. Came and hooked this up. Red to red, blue to blue. These little valves turn, and that's how you put air to it. There's a pigtail. See that little piston right there? That will, there's like a brake, S-cam, piston, whatever you want, caliber, whatever you want to call it, that pushes, when you supply air to it, it pushes air out. It pushes against the neck. Here's the pup. You can hear it filling up with air. Got my lights on. They're all working except for that one. But it's gonna take a while for it to fill up with some air. But yeah, that works. There it goes, it stopped. So we should be good to go. Let's go get loaded. Well, we're on the road. We got loaded, 9,120 gallons. So we're out here trucking up in the slow. We're in the slow lane, doing the best we can, and we'll get it done. We are 115,000 pounds. Yay! So we'll get her done. It's raining. It's nice and cool out. Should help keep the truck cool. Yeah, we'll see what happens with it, but the truck ain't liking it. Anyway, I'll get you guys back with another update. See ya. Well, we made it to our stop for the night, and there she is, there she sits. I mean, to give you guys kind of an idea of the length. It's kind of crazy, man. It's kind of crazy. She's a good truck though. She did it. Got down pretty low a couple times, pretty slow, but other than that, this is our campground for the night. That's I-15, Interstate 15. So over here at JR's, it's a Sinclair. So, yeah, I mean, like other than that, nothing really to say or to do or whatever. I'm hungry. I don't have any food, and we'll see how the night goes. I deliver 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm about 15 miles away from my delivery, and yeah, so we'll see how it goes. See you guys tonight. So we made it here. We're on location, or at least we're on the pin drop, but there's like my location, make a left and it's right there, but it's an empty lot, and it's been raining for the last few days, like you guys know, I've shown you. There's no way I'm going in that grass, so I'm not gonna get this, you know, 120,000 pound load stuck in the mud. I am early, quite a bit early. I thought it'd take longer to get here, but I am pretty early. So I guess we'll just find out what happens. That's your morning update. Nothing really else to say or to go off of, but woke up this morning, it was 5 degrees, and needless to say, I was cold. So I got the truck idling right now, I got the heater going, and just to warm up the cab, wait for the people to show up. But usually, like, there's a couple vehicles here parked on site, and I don't think that any of those, I don't know if you can see them, but they're right about here. I don't know if any of those vehicles are what I'm looking for. They don't look like what I'm looking for. So hopefully this is a good pin. But yeah, so we're just here, hanging out, waiting for people to show up and tell me where to go. Anyhow, I gotta unload here, get back to Salt Lake, reload again, and then we're headed up the mountain. I'm going to Blanding, Utah with a Super. So, yay. Alright guys, I'll check back in once I know what's going on. Well, we got out of there, we're gonna load it. It took about 3 hours. We're on the road, trucking up. Hopefully you can hear me with this loud truck. And yeah, we're gonna have a good day. Go back to Salt Lake, get loaded again, and start all over again. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit. And let me know what you thought. Any other improvements, let me know what you think about the new mic and the new camera, the whole ordeal. Let me know what you think about these Supers.